We got a problem on this car, and the problem is when you put it in reverse, we get an error. Camera system failure. Let's get that fixed. This is where the problem is, right here. Take a flathead screwdriver, jam it on one side, jam it on the other side, pull the camera unit out, push on the connector, get that done, disconnect the camera, get a replacement camera, plug it in, insert, start up the car, put it in reverse. The camera is working. There is no programming needed for the camera unit. It's just a plug and play. Now let's see what's wrong with the original camera. First, we're gonna use a star driver and remove 2 bolts. Let's do that. Pull the camera unit out. Next, we need to remove this front plastic plate. Just like that. Next, this little connector needs to be disconnected. And now we have a Honda Odyssey, probably some other models, rear view camera. What do we have here? Lots and lots of water damage. Not nice. So what I would say is, on a new camera, we need to put some silicone around this plastic piece to seal it from the elements. This is just sad, sad, sad sight. Lots and lots of liquid damage, which eventually caused the camera to fail. Hopefully this helps somebody, and hopefully Honda is watching and paying a little more attention to little things like this. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me a like, enjoy, subscribe, and save money.